Hi everyone and warm welcome to the wonderful video of the credit card life. My name is Amit. With the help of this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most premium credit card we have in the Indian household, and the name of the credit card is SBI Aurum Metal credit card. Now, mind you, all this is an invite to get credit card, and I happen to have multiple RMs who are consistently working with me, with individuals those are looking SBI Aurum Metal card. So in case if you're looking to grab one, I'm the best person to get in touch and we will take this forward. Now, let's talk about the important features and why I'm saying this is a best ever credit card with an income of 10,000 rupees. Let's say the fees of 10,000 rupees, and there are multiple value for money advantage with the help of SBI Aurum Metal credit card. So the moment you get eligible to get this particular credit card, the first thing first, what you have to keep in mind, you have to pay 999. That is 9999 plus GST as the joining and the annual fee charges. So if you talk about those, it comes around somewhat 10.5 or max 11 and not more than that. And this is a metal credit card from the house of SBI Credit Card India. Now, when you pay your so-called the joining and of course the renewal benefits, especially the joining part I'm talking to you, you get multiple advantages. Number one, the welcome gift is close to 4,000 reward points from the house of SBI Aurum Metal with a value of 0.25. So whatever money you have paid, you get waived off immediately once you receive 40,000 reward points from SBI Metal. That's perk number one. Perk number two, you get Club Marriott membership with this particular credit card. Can be very useful and healthy, especially if you're looking to have multiple stay within Marriott, because Marriott can be a very healthy option as they have multiple branches all over India. So Club Marriott membership is absolutely free. Number three, you have got World General edition and of course Mint subscription, which comes to you as a free of cost, which can be a good read if you happen to be a unique business traveler or somebody who enjoys a lot of luxurious and lifestyle quote pages and the written articles on that. That's something which you get as a welcome and joining perk of SBI Aurum Metal credit card. Let's talk about the most important and according to me why you should get this particular credit card. I've jotted down 4 to 5 important features, but then 2 important features I want to say immediately which got my attention. I think it's a must have in every credit card. They have a no nonsense policy when it comes to fee waiver. So if you're spending 12 lakh rupees in a fiscal year, your 10,000 rupees is going to get waived off. That's number one. Number two, they have a monthly milestone benefit. So if you spend 1 lakh rupees each month, you're going to get 1500 voucher absolutely free on a monthly basis. The next target is going to be 5 lakh limit. Let's say 5 lakh, for example, hit. If you hit 5 lakh, you get 5,000 Tata Click voucher. Another one is 10 lakh. If you do that, you get 10,000 Taj Experiences voucher, which can be redeemed for luxurious stay and food. And the last milestone benefit they have is 20 lakh hit. If you hit that, you get 20 lakh Apple voucher, which is very helpful when it comes to buying any Apple products in India. So all in all, if you spend, let's say for example 20, 10, 30, 35, close to 36 lakh rupees, you're going to get close to 40,000 rupees absolute value back without any tantrums, without any asterisks. So that's the really important and attractive part according to me if you're a high spending customer. Let's move on to the next and the most important part, that is lounges. Now, if you're going to go international and abroad, the Forex is 1.99, extremely healthy. And then you have free international lounges on all the airports. You have one spa on selected airports to you, and you have got 4 domestic lounges including your add-on partner. Now all these benefits are absolutely good to go if you are flying frequently. And then you also have something called very interesting customer care for their concierge. Now I have got a couple of friends, those who use this card, and they have literally told me that these guys are way better than American Express. So whenever you write an email or phone them and do whatever, within 7 to 8 minutes they get back to you and give you any damn services, whatever you demand or command from the house of SBI Aurum Metal. That's, according to me, is a top-notch unique point of this wonderful SBI Metal Aurum credit card. Let's talk about the other freebies which you get without any asterisks attached. 4 movie tickets, and I'm not saying buy one, I'm saying absolutely 4 free movie tickets. The max ticket you can avail is 250 rupees per ticket. So if I calculate that, probably 12,000 rupees you end up gathering with the help of free premium movie tickets from the house of SBI Aurum Metal. You have 15% off on Zomato district, any kind of event or comedy booking or whatever you do. Make sure you have to have a 4K minimum spend. Then you have 16 golfing round without any asterisks attached. Whenever you want to play golf, the choice is yours, and they will avail 4 each quarter without any questions asked. And let's move towards some of the other important points when it comes to spending and the basic rewards rate. Now, 1 RP reward point is not that great, it's 0.25 rupees. But if you spend 100 rupees, you get 4 reward points. So all in average, when you spend 100 rupees, you at least get 1 rupee back without any questions asked. They have multiple portal, multiple aviation, multiple redemption options, and you can avail as and when you want it. Let's move towards the other attractive part, which I have jotted down for all of you, and this is in context to insurance part. So if you're booking a flight ticket with the help of SBI Metal Aurum, you are eligible for refund during flight cancellation from both the sections, whether they are offering refundable and non-refundable. All those options are available. Just make sure you have booked the ticket with the help of this particular card. You have 10 lakh card protection. You have 3.5 CR of life death if you happen to buy a ticket with the help of this particular credit card, which I believe we should not face though, because it can be a traumatic experience. But 10 lakhs of card protection, you have got 2 flight cancellation for refundable, non-refundable domains, and you have air accidental of 3.5 CR. Now, if you take my opinion, a simply straightforward opinion, it may not offer you more than, let's say, 1.75 all in all when it comes to cashback, redemption and stuff. But it's a simple credit card which has no nonsense attached to it. You get top-notch service, you get value for back reward points, your fee get waived off, and you get almost 38,000 rupees voucher absolutely free when you spend the desired milestones within the house of SBI Metal Aurum. So if you're looking to grab this particular card, I would request all of you to get in touch with me, because I happen to have 2 dedicated RMs, those who are catering the lifestyle luxurious SBI Metal credit card for multiple cities of India, and I will be more than happy to source that for you. This is all I have for this video. In case if you have any questions, let me know, and going forward, if you want to have any suggestion, any idea, please let me know. I'm more than happy to implement. Till we meet next time, you take care, and thanks for watching.